Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this right here. It is a lakebyin, I think that's the name right there, rocket launcher, or launching is what it says, and it soars high as 175 feet. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes boxed. It comes with your rocket right here. It does have a propeller, if I can talk. Comes with this right here and a user manual. So let's go ahead and set this up real quick. So you do actually charge this. So I'm going to charge it. Okay, so it looks like you just grab this and then you slide these pieces right here all the way around. Make sure these little things are facing downwards, and then pretty much you're gonna set this on here when you launch it off. And it has a launch button right there. Make sure you do this outside. I can't believe I just did that. Anyways, okay, so you want to charge it up right here on the side of the wing. When it does come time to charging, you just put it right here and then you plug it into your computer or to a USB charging port, just depending on if you have a computer or not. You can just plug it into the wall. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like in use.
Go that way, go that way. Go that way. We're turned on. You guys ready for launch?
Yeah! Whoa! No! No!
All right. You guys ready for launch?
Yeah!
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.